EagleRidge, trusted roofing solutions in Farmington, Utah. EagleRidge, the leading roofing contractor in Farmington, Utah, proudly serves the 84025 area and surrounding zip codes with top-tier residential and commercial roofing services. With extensive experience and a strong commitment to quality craftsmanship, EagleRidge specializes in roof inspections, repairs, replacements, and maintenance. Our skilled team works with various roofing materials, including asphalt shingles and metal roofing, to provide durable, weather-resistant solutions tailored to your unique needs. Clients value our attention to detail, transparent communication, and dedication to delivering exceptional results. From the initial inspection to the final walkthrough, we ensure every step is handled with professionalism and precision. By choosing EagleRidge, property owners in Farmington can trust us to protect their investment with long-lasting roofing solutions. Call us at 801-784-1457. Visit us at EagleRidgePros.com.